Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as always. And as you guys can see by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how to do a very quick and easy and simple lunch. It is technically a lunch prep, so you can put it in the fridge. There are 6 sets that I'll be doing in this video, so you guys can just stack it in the fridge for the whole week. But actually, for the purpose of today, what I did was actually serve them in these really cute glass bowls, and they're just basically a chicken salad. Can see right now, I'll be taking out each glass one by one, and I just want to mention that it comes in 5 different colors. Also, I bought this in Costco. I'm not sure about the price, but it was pretty affordable. And the colors are red, orange, lime green, teal, and navy blue. And I'll just be showing you kind of one by one all of them. I just want to mention quickly some features. It is a very 100% durable glass, and I just love that it's not very thin, so it's not going to break. Also, it comes with these very colorful, beautiful silicone coverings that are very easily removable, so that it just has a better grip when you're able to put it down, but it doesn't like come off easily on its own. If you would want to wash it, then you can easily remove it if you're trying to wash them. You don't necessarily have to, but just to put that out there. Also, it is microwavable safe, so you can put it in the microwave as long as you take out the plastic lid. So the ingredients for the chicken salad bowl goes as follows. I used cherry tomatoes, and I just grilled these bell peppers really quickly, just sauteed them with a bit of salt and nothing else. Then I also grilled sweet corn as well. And then I made this oven roasted chicken that I seasoned myself, just a simple homemade recipe. And I used boiled eggs and avocados, and lastly for the actual main part of the salad, which was the spring mix, instead of just using regular lettuce. Also, you could definitely, this is just the things that I use, but you can switch this up however you like. You could definitely add some cheese in it if you are a cheese fan, just whatever you prefer. Now I'm just using one of my favorite tools that I love to use in the kitchen, which is my egg cutter, and it's pretty much really simple to use. I just take the boiled egg and you just put it in the center and push down on these blades, and they just cut them into these very thin and even slices. It's just so much easier than trying to cut individual slices with a knife, so I recommend you guys buy this egg slicer as well. It is very affordable and very easy to use and just saves a lot of time. Now, instead of just putting an entire whole chicken, I just thought it would be better plated, presentable if I cut the chicken into slices to very thin strips. So that's all I'm doing right now, is just cutting the crispy and juicy and tender chicken into thin little strips. And now lastly, all I'm doing, as you guys can see, is just cutting the avocado into slices to better, plate it. And this is pretty much the last step I have to do. And I'm gonna go into assembly now. So moving on to the very last stage in all of this is just piecing everything together, and there's technically no order to this at all whatsoever. I have 5 different glass bowls that I was giving to 5 different people, so I tried to do a different layout each time, but I just kind of put everything in the same order, and this is the order that I did it. So I just put the bed of spring mix first, and then I put in the cherry tomatoes, then the grilled bell peppers, then the grilled corn, the boiled eggs, and the chicken for last. To just put that on top. And again, at this point, this is where you can definitely add ingredients, or if you have a completely different set, you can definitely use that, and you can totally put in a different order each time as well, just to make it fun. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to assemble the rest of the bowls, and I have just speeded this process up so you don't have to watch the entire thing. But yeah, I just went ahead and just continued to assemble these bowls really quickly. I do want to mention that if you have noticed, I did not put any type of salad dressing in it because you don't want them to be soggy. I've actually just prepared a quick and simple salad dressing with olive oil and lemon, salt, and pepper, a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And you can definitely use whatever type. You can also use Caesar salad dressing. You could pretty much use any type of dressing, even just ranch. Just not anything that overpowers it because you want to be able to taste the flavors of this chicken bowl. But that will be plated on the side, and you will see that at the end of this video. But don't put the salad dressing in the bowl just yet. You want to do that right before you're about to eat. So I have finished assembling all of these 5 different bowls. They are very, very vibrant, and I love that there's so much color presented, as you can see, from the actual bowl itself. And yeah, this is just all of it together. I'll just show you guys in detail one by one. So we finally finished, and as you guys can see, this was a very, very short video, hopefully, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope that inspires you to go and make a chicken salad bowl. It is very fun, and if you are vegan and you don't eat meat, then you could totally swap it out for tofu or fish or just whatever you like, or you can just completely leave the meat out of it and just have a simple salad. It's just very, very nice and really fun to make as well because it's just very colorful and nice to look at, and it's also really good for you. And that's pretty much it. And like I said earlier, now is the time you can put the dressing, put the lid on, and just shake, and it's ready to go. So I love this method of just putting it inside the bowl. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps me a lot, and I love hearing your feedback. And I'll see you guys next week. Ciao!